G'day, I'm Scott Christensen. I'm the creator of the Paint the Ocean Learning Program, and I'm very excited to present to you this brand new step-by-step demo titled Surf's Up. If you've ever wanted to give painting a go, then this course is like a simple roadmap. You'll be guided through each step to create this painting over 2 hours of video using only 5 paints. And you'll get a solid understanding of how to paint seascapes. This course is perfect for beginners, even if you've never picked up a brush. And it's been designed to give you plenty of acrylic painting techniques and insights if you're a bit more advanced. I've taught over 3,800 people through my online courses, and this course is designed to be very easy to follow. And it'll save you hours of frustration and effort trying to learn how to paint on your own. Acrylic paints are water-based, they're safe and they wash up in water. So in this demo, you'll only need 5 colours to accomplish this. Together with Chroma Paints Australia, we've developed this 5-tube pack, which is available from retailers internationally. And if you live in Australia, we've also developed a kit which is available from the Art Shed online. It has everything you need to complete the course. Details on the kit are below, as well as a list of materials you'll need. You won't need much, and you may have much of what you need at home already. So the course length is 2 hours and 15 minutes, and it's broken down into 5 steps or modules. You can do the painting at your own pace. You can do this over a couple of days or a couple of weeks, or whatever suits you. If you were to paint it in one sitting, I'd say you'd probably need around 6 hours. It also comes with this print-ready PDF. This will help you keep on track and also help you mix your colours. When you purchase this course, there's lifetime access, so there are no time constraints. I've done my best to really simplify things and break everything down into very small steps, and I think you'll be very surprised how easy it is. We'll go through the materials we'll be using, how and why we use them, before we move to the canvas and begin each step. I'll teach you how to do the perfect colour blend and how to get your waves looking just right. You'll follow me and we'll work through each step in the correct order through all the components, including the wave, the ripples on the water, the foam rolling forward, the clouds, the distant headlands, as well as the sand. We'll mix the paint colours together and make sure you end up with a truly vibrant painting. And I'll share with you my best and latest tips and tricks that I use to make my paintings stand out from the crowd. So we'll work through on this painting together, and through each step you'll be able to watch your own painting come to life. And that's the best bit, I know you'll surprise yourself. I always look forward to the feedback I receive from ordinary people who are beginning to paint extraordinary paintings. Painting this way is a great mindful practice. It's enjoyable and it's addictive. So what are you waiting for? I'd love to have you on board. Well, righto, that's it from me. I'll catch you later.